Maybe I shall also try.
Yes.
I will. You show me.
Okay.
You show
We
me.
make small pieces.
Yeah.
And we put some flavor on.
Yeah.
And you just put it like this.
Okay. And I just
And you try
roll it.
Yes, and you roll it on your hand.
Ah.
It's
I'm
easy.
doing good. It's okay.
Yeah, you can make it longer.
Ah,
A little bit. You can play with it.
fast.
This, like this, and you make long. Just take it out now.
Okay. Ah, good. I'm okay, I guess.
Try one more.
Let me do it.
It's easy.
Put it like this
Yes,
in
okay.
the middle of it,
And try now in your
and
hands.
now I'm gonna roll it on.
This grandmother's.
Ah, it's from Grandma.
Yes.
Now it's better, huh?
Yeah, longer. A
Longer.
little bigger.
Okay.
And you're ready.
Wow.
Wow,
This is the
that's
longest
good.
one. Wow.
Yeah, you can like, don't worry.
I think when we cook, we will see which one is mine. Probably, huh?
Yes. It's easy, but you need a little bit time
Yeah. To learn.
and talk.
So you guys are from here?
My parents, my father was born in this village, but he left in 70s. He went to United States for work, and then he met my mother there. He's from Chios also, and they got married. They had their family, and someday they decided to come back to Greece, and we started the same job again, restaurant
In United States, you were.
in New York, Brooklyn.
Ah. For what? You had a restaurant?
We had a restaurant like
Greek
breakfast,
breakfast.
donuts.
Okay.
And then we came back to Chios. We didn't regret about this. It's very nice in Greece.
Yeah, this island is beautiful.
Yes.
20 years we
20 years in the United States.
They were 20 years.
Interesting.
My,
Have they cooked Greek food there?
they make breakfast there.
Only.
Breakfast.
Okay, look what happened. Just one. Okay, we'll just throw it.
Yes.
Don't
it's
see it.
okay.
Just close your eyes. So your father is also cooking.
Yes.
Yeah?
But they both cook.
They both.
And now we continue with the children.
Good. You're lucky. Probably you have many recipes.